If you're having trouble solving the second layer of the Rubik's Cube, then you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through really slow so you don't miss any step. So I'm going to start with the cube looking like this, all white, and then one row already complete. So if you don't know how to get to this point, then click right here, and that'll tell you about the white corners, or go to easiestsolve.com and just click on the step that you're currently working on. There's also links in the description. Okay, so we've solved the white side. You have this top layer done. Now what do we do? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to find the yellow side. Where's the yellow side? It's the side with the yellow in the center. So of course this is the green side, this is the orange side, and of course here is the yellow side because the yellow is in the center. That's really simple, but that is what you do, and during this step the yellow side will be facing you. Okay, so let's identify the focus piece. The focus piece is the piece that is right above the yellow piece. So we've got the yellow center here. So this piece is our focus piece. What are the colors of the focus piece? Well, in this case, the color is blue and red. That's the current color of our current focus piece. If I were to say identify all the potential focus pieces on this cube, where would you choose? Where are they? If you said that there's 4 and they're here, 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 and here, then you're correct. Above the yellow, we have a focus piece that's blue and red. If we spin it just a little bit like this, we're still on the yellow side. Now, red and green, this particular piece is our focus piece. Then we're like, well, I don't want that one. So come over here. This particular focus piece is red and yellow. And if we said, no, I don't want that one, we look at this focus piece, which is yellow and orange. And then we're back at the original focus piece. So you have 4 potential focus pieces at all times, and each are made up of 2 different colors. If you think you can identify the focus piece pretty easy and you're ready to go to the next step, just click here and go to the next step in this process. As a quick test, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to ask you, what is our current focus piece? So pause it real quick. Just say it out loud. What's our focus piece? What colors are involved in the current focus piece? If you said red and green, then you're probably ready to move on to the next step. Remember to like and subscribe this video so that you can have access to the other videos pretty easily.